So a year ago to the day, driving license got suspended. I've done a video, don't want to go back into that. I said give me a year and the gear be on the road. Brilliant. He came out here July, I think. And yeah, hardly touched it. Family, you know, things happen, didn't they? Other cars, but I'm glad I got him. Right hand drive. Got the floor pans, got new floor pans. I made my own heater channels. That I want to tack up. So a tree landed on it up in London when I got it. Show the picture, it's a lot deeper. I've pushed it out. Yeah, I made this panel. Just got to drill a hole there to drain that. From here to here and that, made my own B-roll. Matches a treat. I'm going to finish off this corner, just said, a bit short there, so I'll cut a bit more rust out, but happy with that, because the heater channel I made up reaches. I'll do that this weekend, that panel. Front wing's good, the nose is okay, and I think I bought a panel to go underneath. Yeah, dash I need sorting out. It don't matter if it's bloody covered or not. Look at it. Started to take off the roof. Green. May do a bit more today. The sun's popping out. May just look 10 minutes here and there to get it off. Then I've got the top of the sails, top of the top panel there, dash, and that side there, look, that sail. So not a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna spend 10-15 minutes just taking a bit more off. I'll bring you back and I'll get at it. Right, 6 minutes is enough on that. So it'll be over there, done in an hour. Couple hours work there. Just do a bit of a scutaway over here. Thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe. Buy me a coffee. Buy me a cover. Car cover. Right, just 2 minutes. Go. See the green, the pink, which is mento, filler, and then bare metal. The orange underneath some of it. Crazy. Losing a bit of light now, so we'll just wrap it up there. Just put the cover on in a minute, but this is your 10 minutes. Get all this paint off. Yeah, could go sandblasting, but just got to carry on using them pads. Nothing wrong with it, and get this look. So look, I'm going for it. One day I'll get it back to original orange. Karmann gear, early 70s, right hand drive. I have new floors, new heater channels, engine gone through, all new brakes. I'm fitting a 4-inch narrow front beam, which is already in the garage. Brake disc with drop spindles, and I've got 3-inch rear drop plates, so it will sit low. I'm keeping these bug wheels. Get the arches tucked in, lovely. I'll get the wheels tucked into the arches, lovely jubbly. Happy with that repair. In here's all good, to be honest. Rear panel, I've got NOS doors. If you're new to the channel, I've got NOS doors and a boot lid. I've got the bonnet inside the garage. He's all stripped, but it's just that horrible. I don't like the green, horrible. It's like British racing green, but the pink is horrendous. That's got to be 80s hot pink. I'm not too good with my paints, but that awful, that pink stuff. See, that's the original orange, look, which is cool. Do like that colour. See how it goes. I've got that big massive sander, and I picked up last year. I can get it back to bare metal, prime it, and maybe go for the orange. See how I feel next year, I think. But you know me, vwcoco, I like the rat look. This will be slam, but yeah, we'll see. Still in two minds. Be all brand new brakes, brand new wiring I put in. Rear luggage tray is spot on. What I can do in the meantime, see this panel here. Remember, I cut it out that side because it was a bit rotten on the back. show you. Here he is. So I've got this to fix up. That corner there, look. So that's when it rains. We've got the 4-inch narrow beam, maybe on the dartboard. 4-inch narrow beam. Jack Dunstan, true, thanks very much, sir. There's my floor pans. The bonnet. I've got outer seals. I've got the lot now. Yeah, I've got the lot, so start cracking on, even though it's winter. Love it. Taking this out over the Christmas, me and Catherine, and the little one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, buy me a coffee. I've got Amazon wish list, you know. Chuck me a cover. I'll put a link up, a cover, do have a couple of them. The Beetle, that's playing up. As in, when I turn the ignition key, put the lights on, buzzes. So that's the relay gone. I've got one coming from Cool Air. I've bought all my used one anyway, just to try. I think it's a headlamp relay, if not it's the indicator relay. So, not a problem there, it's just buzzing noise. Yeah, there he is. Leave that one there. It's not much of a video, but week before Christmas, never know, Santa may bring me a restored ghia. Right, I don't know what's next. Gotta go to the unit. That one's still not done. I've only heard from Tom. I've put out messages. Big Al said he'll come round after Christmas, give me an hand. But Tom's come round, chopped the pipe and put a joiner in. Yeah, that's not going to happen. So I need to get that hose off and sent off. If you know any mini people in Plymouth, give me a shout. They can pop out and see it. But that's that one. Mrs. Wizard's okay. Yeah, storm's passed, thankfully. So we're all safe and sound. And thanks very much. So I think the rope's a 2-man job. That is pathetic. How's that got to hold the cover down? Oh, brand new rope just turned up. Cover's good. No, it's not as thick as this one, but it'll do. Just tie all this together tomorrow, or just undo it and go at it again. I've covered up all the rough edges, so we'll see.